Hi class, good morning. Today, we will be discussing about the continuation of our previous lesson na Microsoft Forms quiz type. Are you ready? Let's start. So please log into your Office 365 accounts. Go to office.com. Okay, your computer already knows that you will go to office.com because you've been doing this for like 4 weeks now. Then you go to the left side, choose the forms, and then add the plus new quiz. So go ahead and click on that. Then we will rename our file. So click on the untitled quiz and just rename it using our format, which is today, this will be activity number 6. Then enter. Okay, we add quiz. Activity number 6, quiz. Then your batch 7A underscore class number underscore your surname, all caps, then your name. Okay, then we will add a short description. So it's okay if you first skip this part, then just go back to it once you already know of to whom will you give this quiz. So for me, I already know, so I will add my description that this quiz is for grade 7 students. Okay. First question that we will do is a choice question. So add new, click choice, and for me, I will do it. This will be my question. Who is the national hero of the Philippines? Question mark. Then, excuse me, I would have to add my options. First option is doctor. This is a common problem, okay? That the screen is goes up and down and you can see what you're typing. So it's okay, but later on it will resolve itself. Dr. Jose Rizal. Then you check if correct. And next, option 2, Emilio Aguinaldo. Okay, yes. And then option 3, Ninoy Aquino. Ninoy Aquino. Andres Bonifacio. Fourth is Andres Bonifacio. Andres Bonifacio. Okay, now that we are done with our options, we will now click on the correct answer. So for this is Dr. Jose Rizal. Then, next is, after we click on that, we click that it's required. Then, points. For me, this is 3 points. Then, I will click on these 3 dots. Okay, more option settings. Yan. Then we will choose shuffle option so that each of your students will have different placement in their on the options to avoid yung pagko-question nila, or just for them to have different choices or placement of choices. So 3 dots, check shuffle options and click also drop down. This is another way of yan. So if it's drop down, it will look like, wait, yan. Let us look preview natin so that we will know how it will look like to our participants. So yan, drop down, they will choose from here. Okay, next is we go back and add more. After this, we will add a new question, text type. Okay, choose text type, or later I will show you, you can also choose different. So for me, number 2 ko kasi is a branch question of question number 1. Okay, later I will show you how to do branching. For my sample, my number 2 option is an essay, which is I will ask why. Okay, so later, balikan natin yan. So this is 3 points again, and this is required. Then I will add my third question, which is going to be a math question. So choice pa rin, but I will click on the three dots, then click math. So, uh, this will allow me to have the different symbols in math. Example, I'm a math teacher, so it will be easier for me to choose for different symbols, mathematical symbols. So for number three question would be, sabihin ko, solve this mathematical problem. Okay, then I will add. So for this question, maybe I'll use the uh, okay, square root of 225. What is the square root of 225? So that's my question. Wait. Ayan. Uy, kagulo ka. Square root of 225. Square root of 225. Yan. You can also add different other pa ha. If yung previous lessons yung sa math, yung algebraic equation that you know, you can do that. Okay? So for me, this is simple lang. Kasi di naman ako math teacher. So this is my simple example. Okay? Just for me to show you that in this part, you can see the different mathematical symbols, okay, that you can use as a question. So the options are, kunyari, 10, 15, and 25. So the correct answer for this equation is 15. I will click on that. I can also choose na magiging, ano to ha, yan, shuffle. I can also do click shuffle. Yan. Next, now that I have the three questions, so question one, two, and three, we are now ready to do branching. So I will go back to my question number one because this is the question where I want to add the branching. So I will just click on this. Then again in these three dots, I will add I will click add branching. So here in the add branching, I can now determine where they will go if they choose the answer. Example, in number one, if they will choose Dr. Jose Rizal as their answer, I want them to go to question number three. But if they will choose Emilio Aguinaldo, Ninoy Aquino, and Andres Bonifacio as their as their answer, I want to know why. So that's why I will ask them to, or they would have to go to the next question, why. So meaning, Miss Tuason, in number one, if you are already correct since you chose Dr. Rizal, you have like a free question. Number two, yes. So you will automatically jump to question number three. Okay, do you want to know? Ayan, back na tayo. And then, let us see in the preview how it will look like to your students. So, click the preview. So, example, your student will choose, di ba, Dr. Rizal. Look, diretso na siya dito sa math, di ba? But, if your student will choose Emilio Aguinaldo, meron pa siyang why question related to number one. Then, saka pa lang siya number three. Okay, that is branching. Okay, back. Then I will, so I have not three questions, diba? Then I will add new. Then, no, X ko to. I will add new section. Okay, how do you go the add new? Then look at this, there's an up arrow up here, diba? Then below the net promoter score, click section. The section allows your questions to have separate parts so that your participants will not just have like if you have 1 to 50 questions dire-diretso. It will let you just cut down or separate the different parts of your test. So for this, I will add like for example part 2. Okay? Part 2. Then I will now add here my new question. So for this, I will ask an essay question to my student. So we'll choose the text. Then, my question is, what do you think? What do you think is the most significant invention ever made, and why do you think so? So yan, essay yan, then I will put 10 points. Okay, then pwede rin siya mag-long answer, and this is also required. You can also check on that. Yan. You can also click on the restrictions, like greater than, less than 2, equal. Kapag ka, yan yung tanong mo, ha? So it depends on the type of question. Okay, then, once you're done with part 2, you already have a new section. You will add a part 3, wherein add new, click on this arrow down, click another section, and this will be part 3. This will be part 3, and I will add new, and this time it will be a file type. So I will click on this and click file upload. So yes, so yeah, okay. Then I will type in my question or requirement. For example, this is art. So upload here your poster for the Clean and Green campaign. Clean and Green campaign in science. Okay? Yeah. Then I can also uh, tell them how many files they can send me. So I want them to send one file only, file limit. You can also change that. Then this is a required, and more settings pa, file type. You can choose a file type. Since my question is about a poster, so I will limit the file type that they can submit. I want PDF only and image. Other than that, it will not accept your file. Okay? So this is very helpful for you to be able to just limit the type of files that they will send you, because Excel is not appropriate naman, 'di ba, for a poster. A Word pala pwede kasi pwede silang gumawa diyan. A Word, PDF, or image. Then, yan. My this is my quiz. So let us check, no, sa preview how it will look like. You can always do that. Okay, preview. For example, you can see, one lang yung tanong, 'di ba? Pero when you test it, so kunyari ako, Andres Bonifacio, since mali yan, I will have to answer the why. Then I will solve. Kunyari lang, isagot ako dito. Because he is great. Then, kunyari, answer ko 15. Then next. O de, part 2. This is the section 2. O de, kunyari lang nag-type ako. What do you think? Cell phone. So, bakit the value must be a number? Kasi, so back muna tayo sa setting natin, Bakit? Bakit the must be? Restrictions ko kasi number. Oh, so dapat wala akong restriction. No restriction tayo para, ayun, pwedeng number, pwedeng text. So, balik lang tayo sa preview. So, ayan, yung makikita ng mga bata. So, kunyari, Dr. Jose Rizal, tama ako. So, hindi na ako mag-essay, no? Then, answer is 15. Then, next, what do you think? Kunyari, cell phone. Because, kunyari, na-complete ko yung sagot. Next party ko, this is where I will upload the file. Okay? Cancel. Then, next is to format your text. So, again, class, ito pala, you can see this line and dots here. This indicates that the question has a branching question, or this quiz has a branching option. So when you submit to me your this format, I need to see this, okay? Because without this, I know that there's no branching option sa quiz mo. So pag nakita ko 'yan, may point ka na agad because I know that there's branching in your test or in your quiz. Okay, so now we will format our quiz. So pwede mo rin 'to i-triple click. Yan, lalabas 'yan. So bold, gawin mo siya. Mamili kayo ng mga color. Okay? So, naka-format dapat. So, I want everything to be blue. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, dito. 3 clicks lang lalabas yung formatting ni ano natin. Ayan. This is green. Ayan. So, this is how it will look like. Then, lahat ng text natin, we will format. Just triple click. Lalabas. Large size sa akin. Color lahat blue. For my options, italicize. 3, yan. 3 clicks lang, lalabas na siya. Then, itong Y. Okay, 3 clicks. Bold, large, blue. Okay. Excuse me, mathematical. Large, blue. So it depends on you how you want it, how to format, how you want them to be formatted. So large, blue. Okay, did I click blue? Ayan, blue siya. Yan. Uy, wait. Yan. Bold, large, blue. Okay, this is, hindi ko to na bold. Yan. So, then I will choose a theme for my test. So, gusto ko to. Yan. Yan, di ba? This is what your form look like. So, ang ganda, di ba? Pwede rin kayo mag-add ng picture. So, hindi pala ito naka-bold. Yan, gusto ko bold siya. Then, you can add a photo here. Quiz. The quiz. O, ito na lang. Quiz. Add. That's is, yan. Diba? So, preview natin. So, ganyan siya lalabas. Parang, parang ang dark. So, yun. So, kunyari, you're not happy or happy pa, palitan ko ha. Gusto ko lang yung mas, yan. Preview ko. Bakit ganun? Dark pa rin siya. Anyway, you can always remove, balik mo lang yung color dito. So, ano na lang siya, default na black. Ayan. Okay? So, again, for the requirement of this activity, so you have to go in again to your account here. Okay, I will show you pala how to share. So here, share, 'di ba? You will copy the link. You can also go here to the settings. Settings. Okay. Only people in my organization can respond. You record the name and then one person per response lang para they won't re-answer to the test. So, ayan. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you learned a lot from this activity and from this lesson. Bye! Have a great day!